Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Collect a complete medical certificate detailing the physical impairment and the percentage of disability from a registered practitioner or authorized medical board. Ensure identity and address documents match and are current, and include at least 2 recent passport-style photos on the application. If you have prior medical records or rehabilitation notes, attach them to strengthen your case. Double-check that all certificates carry official stamps and signatures before submission to avoid delays. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical guidance. Quick recommendation: bring your forms and reminders to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can set medication alarms, calendar reminders, and play calming sounds while you wait at the clinic. I use it to track appointments and keep documents organized with voice notes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Fill out the official application form carefully, entering names, dates, and medical details exactly as on your ID documents to prevent rejection. Submit the form and supporting documents through the local issuing office or the authorized online portal, following their upload specifications. Attend the medical board or assessment on the appointed date with original documents for verification, and be ready to answer questions about daily functional limitations and treatment history.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.